Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you're watching from. So we are asked to solve the equation using the formula method. We want to solve this quadratic equation using the formula method. Okay, so I have x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Remember that quadratic equation is any linear equation with the highest with square. Okay, is a linear equation with the highest power as what? 2. Okay, now using the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, isn't it? This now will give me the idea of how it will give me the idea of my a, b and c, because the quadratic formula has what? A, b and c in it. So now from this equation you will see that it's similar to this. So now let's quickly look for my a from here. You can see that my ax squared, the coefficient of x squared here is a. So what is the coefficient of x squared here? Is 1. Okay, what is the coefficient of x here? You see that we have x and b. So my b is 7, my c is standing alone, which is what? 10 is a constant. So I have been able to get my a, b and c. So and the quadratic formula says that what? X equal to what? Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. This is my quadratic formula. This is the formula method. Okay, so I have my x equal to get more time for me to explain this, join my online class tomorrow by 1 p.m. on TikTok, 1 p.m. Nigerian time. So check the equivalent of the time in your country. Join me by 1 p.m. every day from Mondays to Saturdays. So I have minus b. What is my b? I have 7 plus or minus square root of my b is 7 squared minus 4 times what is my a? 1 times what is my c? My c is 10 all over 2 times what is my a? 2 times a, 2 times 1, isn't it? So I continue from here. So I have my x equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of, I will simplify the square roots. So I have 7 square means 7 times 7. So 7 square is 49. So I have minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So I have minus 40 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So my x equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 40 will give me what? 9 over 2. So my x equal to minus 7 plus or minus, what is the square root of 9? Is 3. Okay, because 3 times 3 is 9. So the square root of 9 is 3 over 2. So at this point I will now separate the plus and minus. So this implies that my x equal to minus 7 plus 3 over 2, or my x equal to minus 7 minus 3 over 2. So what we have just done is that we separated this plus and minus, okay, so that we can have the two solutions. So my x now equal to minus 7 plus 3 is what? Is the same thing as 3 minus 7, which is minus 4 over 2. So my x equal to minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2, or my x equal to minus 7 minus 3 is the same thing as 7 plus 3. I will pick one of the minus, so which is minus 10 over 2. So my x equal to minus 10 divided by 2 is minus 5. Therefore x equal to minus 2 or minus 5. So join my live class tomorrow by 1 p.m. Nigerian time. We come live by 1 p.m. Nigerian time every day from Mondays to Saturdays. So to learn more on mathematics, join my online class by 1 p.m. on TikTok. Follow all our social media handles on Facebook, YouTube. Our name is Online Maths Guru. So go and look for Online Maths Guru and check. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.